Hi everyone, in this quick video I'm gonna talk about these two color tools or components that I created by vibe coding using the workshop plugin in Framer. You can find the remix link for the file in the description. The first one is this color generator one. After doing my first vibe coding tutorial in Framer with Code Companion plugin, I wanted to try it also with this workshop one since it's developed by Framer team. I'm sure by now many of you know how to create components using the workshop, but we simply select it from the plugins after searching for it, and we just enter our prompt describing what we want to create, as in Code Companion and other vibe coding tools. This time I wanted to create a more advanced version of a color generator that lets you select the palette type like harmonious, monochromatic, etc., as you can see in this drop-down when we preview. Like in the first tutorial, to create a flexible component UI, I prompted all the required customization options to be added, like button and input colors, text color, etc. I also added an option to save the palette and even made it possible to show a preview of the saved palette simply by using the square text characters and coloring them with colors that match the palette, which was really challenging since at first Workshop created the saved palettes list with the options using select tag in HTML. As far as I remember, it is not possible to color characters in options separately, which although I tried a few times and of course it didn't work out, later I requested Workshop to place the palettes list in an unordered list with UL tag in HTML, then it could color the squares separately. I also copied colors to be pasted as SVG squares instead of color hex codes, since it's really easy to select an element in the canvas and add its color to the color styles. Let's generate a few different palettes and save them. Click copy all colors and go back and paste them. You can see each palette is saved under a separate group, which actually I tried to prompt them to be named same as each palette's name, but failed and decided to leave it the way it is. But as you see, we can select the palette, then select any color under selection on the right panel, and we can easily add the color we selected to our color styles by clicking new styles and giving it a name. The second component I generated was this color blender that was also great for testing and sometimes can be necessary while doing some design explorations, etc. Of course, it also has some customization options under its component settings. One issue that I failed to resolve with this one is, let's preview real quick. As you notice, although I prompted the default colors to be black and white for start and end colors, in the previous screen, end color looks also black, but it acts as white color. Let's create the blend with default settings. As you see, the blend is created from black to white. But since it can work without any other issues, I can say other than that, plugin did another great job. We can reset and make the end color something like turquoise using the color picker apparently the plugin generated. Increase the step count, let's say 20, and we can create blend by either pressing return or enter or clicking the create blend button, and we can easily copy all the color boxes, go back and paste, and again under selection section we can add any color we like to our color styles. overall plugin does a great job. Sometimes it might not understand what you mean, or you might not be able to generate the function or property you want, but even if it's something you don't know much about, you can get some help from a large language model like ChatGPT and paste some code and make it clear to get something close to what you want. Considering doing some edits with prompts is really easy, and you can track your prompt history and revert back to a previous version of the component if you need. I will do some more tests in the near future, and if I come up with any other good and or helpful component ideas, I'll do make some new videos and share the files. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.